so I'll be fine.
Why can't you do this
But
yet?
it is white, so that's kind of annoying. Oh, by the way, this was my fit. If you want to get it, this is my fit. Wait, I also have forest
Can
badge.
you do it?
But hopefully,
Move.
if I ever get enough subs, which I don't think I ever will, let me just adjust my headset.
Yeah.
Which I don't think I ever will. Please do not do this again.
Buddy, I'm coming back. Don't worry, I'm coming
trying.
back. The monkey. I want to do
But
it again.
luckily, I'm not touching white. But how are you modding?
No,
Right.
it's just you can literally just hold a snowball.
Heavy?
I'm just like got the snowball. So
Oh, happy.
why?
Bro, I was gonna make a joke about massive since you. I thought you said heavy.
Oh. Wait, how did you
Oh,
like?
I was shots.
Let's go.
Blue Hell is about to use shots, bro. Low key.
I can really spy on you. Say hi to the camera, guys.
Bro, lock in.
Okay, good. No more of this.
Lock in, bro.
You don't deserve this.
What you do? What you do? Where are you at?
Hello.
Okay.
God, stop.
What? Oh shit.
Let's take 2 days. My friend's house.
I won't tag you. I won't
they-
tag you
Where they
because
keep
you
on
helped
that?
me. You helped me.
Yeah.
I
Give me a
won't.
fist. Give me a fist bump. Give me a fist.
See ya.
Yeah. Like,
Oh, okay. Oh wait, you text me again.
bro, for a second I thought you were actually playing again.
Nah, I don't really care. Don't tag you, don't worry. I won't tag you. Hey, bro, what's up?
You look like an immobile grandpa right now, bro. You gotta get moving.
Anyone want a 1v1? Anyone want a 1v1?
Bro, what is my?
Want a 1v1?
am nothing.
Want a 1v1?
Nothing.
Are you?
Fuck.
It's
Hey,
like
is anyone?
2 hours.
If you want a 1v1, mate, go in the code. Go in the
I
code.
almost got tagged by an immobile grandpa.
It's like
What? You want a 1v1?
Hello?
which?
I'm just gonna go to attack guys. Hey, Dad. Dad, why won't that internet phone ever
How
tell?
can you get tagged like this?